So hello and welcome to my channel. Today I would like to show you how to make cross-pollination on lilies. Lilies are usually self-sterile and they cannot be pollinated, cannot be selfed by themselves. So they need pollen from a different plant, or in case of cultivars like this one, which is called Tiny Double Dutch, needs to be to come from a different cultivar. Some cultivars in the trade, or more precisely, all cultivars for cut flowers are triploids, and they cannot make seeds. So I haven't tried this cross before, but I'm going to use Tiny Lion, this cultivar, pollen on this one. And I already have my code numbers. I use code numbers because it takes up a little space, and because I write the code down, I don't remember the cross, so I don't have any expectations for a plant. So first I get the name tag, and just put it on the flower which I'm going to pollinate today, and this will be this flower. And we're going to need pollen, of course, name tags or tags you are going to write, and some wire to hang it on the flower, a forceps to get the pollen out, and ethanol to wash the pollen from the plant, and of course your notebook when you write up the code, and first the mother plant and then the father plant. So it's very simple for lilies. You just get the pollen out and you just dab the pollen onto the stigma, and that's it. That's really it. And because I'm not going to use the same pollen for pollinating the next flower, I'm going to wash it with ethanol, because it kills the pollen, and it dries. It's 100% ethanol, so it dries very quickly, and it's like it cleans the pollen off. Okay, and you can also use these aluminum foils. It's like a chastity belt or a condom, and you can put it on the stigma to cover it, and so you see that this flower has been pollinated, which works quite well if you don't have European magpies which collect all shiny things. So what I usually do is I break the tepals, or just pull all the tepals off, but because it's a double cultivar, I just break it off, and so I see that it has been pollinated. So this is not really a rocket science, but it's important that you keep track of your crosses, because then you can repeat the cross, and you can see the seedlings, which parent is more dominant or which trait is more dominant, to be precise, and you can do similar crosses, and you will see that which works for you and which cross is not working for you, because sometimes the plants are sterile. For example, this cultivar has no pollen, so this cannot be used as a pollen parent, a father plant, only as a mother plant if the cultivar is not triploid, but usually these garden lilies are not triploids. Okay, well, that would be all. Thank you very much for your attention. If you like what you see, you can like and subscribe, and you can also leave a comment, and I will answer your questions. And thank you very much. See you next time. Goodbye.